So this beautiful paper pack is called Warm Florals, and today we're going to make a larger card with this set. So in this kit you'll get some beautiful card that you can use to layer your designs or make a complete card with. The papers are gorgeous. Some are foiled and some are just plain, but you'll also get lots of toppers in there as well that you can add to your cards. These are some sentiments that you can add to your designs, and you can either use them as they are or you can back them onto some stronger card. And these are washi sheets. Now I've also done the same with these. I've taken them off the backing paper and I've added them to some stiffer card, and then I've cut them out and I've used them as decoupage designs on my cards. So today I'm going to make a larger card, and this is an 8-inch square. I'm keeping the fold at the top, and I've just created this from an A3 sheet of card. From this card pack I've taken one of the colours and I've created a mat, and then from the paper pack I've chosen 2 sheets that will blend together, and there's your toppers, and I've cut 2 that will go together on my card, and each one's been trimmed down so it's slightly smaller than the other one. So there's my base card. Now for this top piece of card I've used the foiled one. It's got gold in it. Looks really pretty. And then in the last video I showed you how to make this look metallic, and I've backed this onto some pink card, and that is going to blend with the gold metallic in the paper, and that will sit there. I've taken one of the sentiments and I've added it to some extra card. Now I've also taken 2 of the toppers, and they've also got gold foil on them, and they're going to sit along there, and then in the centre I have another sentiment from the pack, and that's going to sit there. Now with the washi sheets I've very carefully picked these off the sheet that they're on, and I've added them to some more card. So that's all I've done, is just peel them off, added them to some more card, made sure it's all pressed down properly, and then to use that I will fussy cut round there and add that to my card. Doing this just makes it a little bit stronger so that you can layer it up onto your card with some foam tape underneath. There it is. And once we've done that, we'll take a bone folder and we'll just very carefully press it down so that it's all stuck to that sheet. And then with some scissors I'm just going to cut around, very neatly cut around the edges, and then they can be added to my cards. So I'll go away and do this off screen, and then I can add this onto my design. So there's my washi sheets now all cut out, and all I have to do is put this card together. So to add these to my card I'm going to flat glue these to the base. I've added foam pads underneath that, and I've added foam pads to just one of these, and they're going to sit along there. These have also got foam pads to them, and so have these. So now let's put this together. Now because this has foam pads on it and this doesn't, I've added 2 to one side. So I've added 2 to the side that's lowered and just 1 to the side that's raised, and that will keep that nice and level on your card. And so I've done the same to this. Because one side has got foam on it and the other doesn't, I've balanced it out a little bit more by adding a double layer of foam. So from my washi sheets I've decided to cut another one out, and I'm going to add some foam to the back of this and I'm going to add it in a double layer because I want this to be higher than this one. So we can add this to the card. Now once I've taken the backings off and added that in place, that will just raise that up more than this one. And I'm going to put this one down here at the bottom. And now to dress this up just a little bit more, I'm going to add in some small pearls. So I've added bigger pearls along here, and I've put the small pearls at the side and along there. And that's a card now that is just for a special friend. It will stand in 10th fold, and it's raised with decoupage and beautiful gold foiled toppers. There are so many different ways that you can use this kit. There is another one, and for that one all I've done is taken this paper and I've cut this out and I've decoupaged it onto another layer of paper that has the gold foiling on it. But you can take any plain card that you've made. Let's just move these out of the way. You can take any plain card that you've made and decorate these up to suit your designs. So there's another one. There's the blue one. And this one can have this along the top and these along the bottom. And again, they can be added with foam pads just to dress them up a little bit more. So all these cards are being completed with the Warm Florals paper pack and a combination of the Tall and Elegant dies and the sentiments. And these cards have all been completed just using the Warm Florals paper pack on its own. And that consists of the sentiments, the card, the paper pack and the washi sheets. And with those you can make some really beautiful cards.